Can artificial intelligence replace human intelligence? Let's break it down in under 60 seconds. AI excels at specific, repetitive tasks, analyzing massive datasets, automating workflows, and providing accurate insights faster than any human can. But there's a catch. AI can't match the adaptability, creativity, or emotional intelligence that humans bring to the table. Whether it's empathy in leadership, teaching, or negotiation, AI struggles with understanding emotions and social nuances. Human creativity thrives on intuition, experience, and thinking outside the box. Qualities AI just can't replicate. And when it comes to ethics and moral judgment, humans will always have the upper hand. So, can AI replace human intelligence? Not quite. AI complements us, but human intuition, emotion, and creativity remain irreplaceable. Subscribe for more AI insights in 60 seconds.